How do you make money with Google Ads? How do you make money with Google Ads? So how do you make money with Google Ads? This is the question on everyone's lips, but few people actually know how to make money with them. If you want to make money with Google Ads, here are some helpful tips. Write a novel and exciting call to action. Experiment with different ad units. Use matched content. And, most importantly, always follow Google's terms and guidelines. Experiment with different ad units. You can experiment with different ad units to find which one works best. Google runs an experiment for 50% of ad impressions and the original ad for the remaining 50%. If an experiment isn't producing desired results, you can switch back and forth between the two. Google provides tools to test and compare the two, including split testing. Here are some tips to improve your experiment. Write a novel and exciting calls to action. Creating a compelling call to action for your ad is a vital part of marketing your product or service. This simple phrase tells customers what they should do after they've seen your ad. Some of the most common calls to action are, buy now, learn more, subscribe, or sign up for X. Remember that you need to pay for internet views before your ad is clicked on. Experiment with different ad placements. You can easily experiment with different ad placements using Google Ads. Experiments are great for testing new strategies with no drastic consequences. Unlike real campaigns, you can share the budget with other users, which means you can make changes to the budget without having to worry about conflicting results. However, it is vital to note that you must ensure that your budget is large enough to account for the extra clicks. Use matched content. A new feature in Google's AdSense program, Matched Content, allows publishers to promote relevant pages on their websites. Matching content is available only on websites with a certain amount of unique content and sufficient traffic. Publishers can also set up a custom search engine and display relevant ads on their website, while also allowing them to change the color scheme. It is important to note that the higher the page views, the higher the revenue potential. Create sticky ads. Creating sticky ads to make money with Google Ads is possible if you follow a few rules. First, your ad must be declared. It should not overlap with other content. Second, it should be at least 300 px wide. Third, the ad must behave appropriately when scrolling. You can also choose whether to use a CPM or cost per click campaign for your ads. Click the link below, https://jenny.us/advertisinggrant-310.